Hi YouTube, it's bicycle service day. It's a bike I mentioned in an older video. This is the former Japanese-owned Mercian. It's tiny, 48 centimeters with 700c wheels. When I first saw it for sale, I got very excited. I was searching for a city bike for my girlfriend at the time. She's my wife now. And the moment I saw the ad, I rushed to meet the seller. He had no idea what he was selling. Back then, it had a totally different group set. Cheap Shimano 2x9 touring bars, handlebar riser, and it was boring. I tuned it into something simple. 1x9 drivetrain, 48 chainring, flat bar, slick tires. Smooth and minimal, no complexity. A bike that you just pedal. We didn't use it much though, so it ended up with my friend's girlfriend. She loved it. She removed the front racks, changed the saddle to what she liked, and now it's back here for a quick checkup. She wants a shorter stem, a rear rack, and she says it doesn't shift down to the smallest cog. So, we're doing lube the cables, derailleur adjustment, might have to change the cable, filtering if needed, some light TLC on the paint. Nothing deep or complicated, just usual maintenance to refresh the ride experience. The cable end is frayed, I have to change it. To get the shifter cable out, you have to remove a small plastic plug. Be careful not to use it, it tends to escape silently. The frame might be a custom order for Mercian. The geometry is relaxed, like a touring bike. But the bottom bracket sits a bit higher, almost like a mountain bike. So it's built for someone short that rides long distances and wants stability. I love one buy on city bikes. Less decisions, less drop chains, less cables when tuning, and the bike looks cleaner. Simple is key to happiness. Now that I'm thinking why I didn't use this bike very much, it feels slow to me. I prefer narrow tires and short wheelbase, even for commuting. Small changes in tire width completely change the bike's personality. Hard and skinny tires, fast, aggressive, feels the road. Wider tires, forgiving, detached, comfy. This bike was built for comfort. Not chasing after mopeds on the street. I cleaned up the frame with dish soap, doesn't need further treatment. My wife doesn't like biking in the city. She thinks traffic is scary. Fair enough. Istanbul doesn't have enough bike paths. Even if it does, they are usually occupied by parked cars or walking people. Cycling in Istanbul is like being invisible. Nobody sees you, nobody cares if you're in front of them. You just have to avoid everything. Looks like the wheels are holding up nice. Only had slight wobble on the rear. Changing the cable fixed the shifting right away. I didn't even need to adjust anything. These Tektro brakes work good, but the springs are loose. Ideally, we want both pads to hit the rim at the same time. With a screwdriver and patience, it's easy. This fixed rear rack fits the frame, with a little encouragement from my wife. In the end, that's why I like this yellow bike. It has a story. It passes through people I care about. And bikes do that. They travel between people and places. They carry scars, gifts, and stories. Thank you for watching. See you next week.